Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Vasquez and I will be presenting my molecular portfolio on Prozac. I'll start my presentation by drawing the skeletal structure of my molecule, and on the side I have the information about the brand name, the generic name, and the chemical name of Prozac. What is Prozac used for? The drug Prozac is a medically prescribed antidepressant that is used to help patients with different range of emotional disorders that can include depression, panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and anxiety. It can also be used to treat bulimia because depression and anxiety are common side effects of this mental disorder. Prozac is a compound that has selective inhibiting serotonin reuptake abilities, which can help increase serotonin levels in a patient. This happens because it blocks the reabsorption of serotonin in neurons, allowing transmission of messages of serotonin to become improved and serotonin to be much more available. When should you not take Prozac? Prozac should not be taken by patients with depression that are younger than 8 years old. It should also not be taken by OCD patients that are younger than 7 years old. It should not be taken by patients that are known to have medical histories of hyponatremia because Prozac can decrease sodium levels in the blood, which can lead to vomiting, liver, heart, and kidney problems. Significant interactions with other drugs. Prozac is a very common antidepressant that is prescribed to treat a different number of conditions and disorders, but has serious side effects if mixed with other drugs. Prozac can have a significant interaction with opioid painkillers like fentanyl and methadone. Fentanyl and Prozac can cause serotonin syndrome, which is when there is a very high level of serotonin that accumulate in the body. Serotonin syndrome can cause side effects that can include confusion, increased heart rate, vomiting, shaking, and loss of balance. The methadone and Prozac can cause side effects that can include heart palpitation, fainting, and shortness of breath. Something interesting about Prozac. Prozac was the first drug to have selective inhibiting serotonin reuptake and was a very popular drug to treat depression. It did have a voluntary recall in 2018 due to abnormal test results that caused Prozac to not meet the standards of Food and Drug Administration due to a certain ingredient that was being integrated into the drug. This recall didn't necessarily pull all Prozac off the shelves, but just a specific lot that was shipped between dates March 24, 2016 to January 4, 2018. This batch was voluntary recall because the use of the batch was very unlikely to have any health consequences.